Hi guys, and welcome back on my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to unbox and review my new keyboard, the Keychron Q1 HE QMK, the most expensive mechanical keyboard I ever used with my Mac. If you like this type of content, please like and subscribe. Let's dive right in. Well, first of all, Keychron has been known for years for making high-end mechanical keyboards compatible with Mac, and this one is no exception. This is one of the most expensive keyboards Keychron is selling for Mac users. The unboxing experience is no different from any other Keychron keyboard, but the box is very heavy. Inside the box you have a quick start guide. No one's gonna read it. You have the Keychron Q1 itself, a 75% wireless magnetic switch keyboard. And man, this keyboard is so heavy, you can even exercise with it. This is probably the heaviest keyboard I ever had in my life. Inside the box you also have a USB-C cable, you can connect it wirelessly, and it's also a charging cable. You can use any USB-C cable, it will work as well. They also give you some additional accessories, like for example this set of keycaps for Windows users, so you can always customize your keyboard. Also inside the box you will find some tools that will help you to repair your keyboard in case it's broken. Inside the box you'll also find a little dongle, USB-C to USB-A, whatever, a little tool to replace keycaps, very handy, and finally a USB dongle if you don't have Bluetooth on your computer. Finally, let's unbox the keyboard. Wow, this thing looks impressive. The build quality is incredible. It looks stunning, and I like this black and white style with red escape button. It feels very premium. It definitely worth every dollar I paid for this keyboard. And it's very heavy. It's so heavy. It's probably the heaviest keyboard I ever had in my hands. It has some buttons, as you can see. It's compatible with Windows and Mac, but it's primarily made for Mac users. The case is made of metal, very heavy and good quality metal. The keycaps are plastic, but also very high quality plastic. When you touch this thing, you feel the quality. The Keychron Q1 keyboard is slightly bigger than my Magic keyboard. It's also slightly thicker because of this mechanical structure. And just to compare, let's put aside my Magic keyboard, you know, this low profile keyboard from Apple. This thing is super small, super thin, you know, just look at that. It's even smaller than keycaps on the Keychron keyboard. My first impressions using this mechanical keyboard are rather positive. It's very high quality. I like the sound of this keyboard, and by the way, let's listen to this keyboard. Let's listen to how it sounds. Raw, unedited sound of this keyboard. The typing experience on the Keychron Q1 mechanical keyboard is exceptional. When comparing side by side to Apple's Magic keyboard, it doesn't even come close to the exceptional quality this Keychron keyboard is offering you. Of course, it's much more expensive. It's $250 to $300, which is pretty expensive for a keyboard, but considering the build quality, I think the price is pretty fair. Again, this video is not sponsored, I'm just sharing my honest opinion about the product, the high quality, expensive product. So guys, if you are looking for a high quality mechanical keyboard, really go for it and buy the Keychron keyboard. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please give it a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, check out a video about my Mac desktop setup. Thanks for watching. Peace.